Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to share with you two powerful immunity boosting drinks which are very effective for your COVID-19 recovery. You all know the number of COVID-19 positive cases are rising rapidly in the country, and a strong immune system prepares your body to fight foreign disease causing pathogens and reduces the risk of infection. Although we all know that building immunity is a time taking process and can be achieved by making a constant effort, there are several ways to give a little boost to your immune health and drinking. And by consuming this immunity boosting drinks, you can feel very healthier, you can feel fresh, and this will help to fight against the all pathogens and all the viruses which attacks on your body. And here I am going to share with you two powerful herbal drinks that you must have every day on an empty stomach to stay fit and healthy. So let's start it.